Google owns YouTube, and a lot of people wants to run ads across these two platforms, though, but they don't know how to do it. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you the 5 things that you need to have so that you can be able to run Google ads and or YouTube ads effectively, right? You can run Google ads separately and you can run YouTube ads separately, okay, from the same platform. Now, here are the 5 things you need to have or you need to know before you can run ads effectively. Number 1, you need to have your Google business profile. Now, a lot of people don't know about this, but the truth is that go through my videos on my page, or if you're watching this on YouTube, go through my videos in my channel. You're going to find videos about how to create Google business profile. Then you can watch that video and you can learn how to create your Google business profile. Okay, I don't want this video to be long, so I'll just get straight to the point. That's what you guys like, and that's exactly what I'm giving you. Now, that is the first thing that you need to have, your Google business profile, right? Now, the second thing that you need to have to be able to run Google and YouTube ads is your Google Ads account. Now, just like Facebook, you need an ads account that you are going to fund so that you can be able to run Google ads. Now, Google has a lot of features that you cannot find anywhere else, okay? Because they are a search engine, they have an enormous amount of data that you cannot find anywhere else. So you need your Google Ads account to be able to run ads on Google effectively. And trust me, if you utilize Google very well, I don't think you'll be going elsewhere to run ads ever again. Okay. Now, that's the second thing that you need to have, your Google Ads account. Now, the third thing that you need to know to be able to run Google and YouTube ads effectively is to know how to add funds to your account. Now, just like Facebook, Google is very much like the same. So once you learn how you can be able to add funds to your account, and of course, I've made separate videos on my channel. I've made separate videos on my page so that you can go straight to my page, search for these videos, and you'll find them. Okay, watch these videos so that you can learn exactly how you can add funds to your Google Ads account. Now, that's the third thing that you need to know. Now, the fourth thing that you need to know that is very, very important. The fourth one is very, very important. Without this one, you cannot run Google Ads. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Now, that fourth one that you need to know is to know how to set up your conversion tracking on Google Ads. Now, the reason what conversion tracking means is that Google needs to, track your conversions that is happening in your landing pages or wherever you are taking those people that are clicking on your ad, wherever you are taking them to, Google needs to track what is going on in that page, in that place, to make sure there are no fraudulent activities. Okay, so that is the reason that you must have, or you must set up your conversion tracking code. Okay, now I've made a separate video on this. Go through my channel, go through my page, you can find this and learn how you can set up the conversion tracking step by step in detail. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just telling you the things you need to have, the things you need to know. Now, that was the fourth thing. Now, the fifth thing that you need to know to be able to run Google Ads effectively is to know how to optimize. Now, your metrics and your insights is always is you have to make them your twin. Okay, you have to always visit your metrics so that you can be able to know what is going on in your ads and learn how you can be able to optimize. Sometimes these platforms will give you clues on what you're going to do to be able to optimize your ads effectively. So learn optimization, okay, and apply those optimization effectively so that your ads will become better and better and perform more better and better and better. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Okay, like, share, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.